of Barchart-Bulls Options joins us on the show on this Monday morning. Happy Monday to you, Alan.
Good morning, Angie.
You're taking a look at oil with us today. As you know, oil has been going to the downside.
Right. It made 16-month lows here just last week, but it did close higher. So that's a key reversal. We'll see if we can get some follow through. What's important when it comes to crude oil is the $90 level. $90 is the midpoint of the $65 low and the $115 high over the last 5 years. So they're important support to lean on as far as crude oil goes.
Well, let's talk about some plays within the oil sector. For instance, an ETF play. What would you do here?
Well, XLE is the energy ETF. It's been very, very strong, been going straight up for 5 years. We've seen this pullback here where it's finding support around 92. It's standing around 94 or so. So every time it's sold off, it's bounced that distance of the sell-off on top of those old previous highs. So that gives us about a 15% upside potential here in XLE. And XLE is still up 7% on the year.
Within that group, what stock would you pick?
Well, we finally get there. We'll break it down into the commodity, then to the sector, now the individual stock. Now, an individual stock that's been under distress, it's made a mess, has been British Petroleum. They're finally trying to clean up from all of the Deepwater Horizon litigation and put that behind them. There's some very, very strong support in BP at $40 from the last 5 years. The April 40 call is what I'm looking at. It's in the money. BP's trading around 46, and that option's going for about 650. So the break-even's only 50 cents higher with 7 months for good things to happen, and it's going to act much like the stock as a stock substitution strategy.
So you're giving yourself a longer time horizon for it to rise.
Yeah, exactly. And this stock is actually down 6% over the last year as opposed to the index, which is up 7%. So I think it's a good value from a risk reward as well, looking at a strong company that's got a very, very low PE, and I think they're going to recover very nicely in the long term.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.